welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be doing a Temu review slash haul. In today's video, I will be giving you a 50% discount code if you use this discount code that I'm gonna write down on the screen, and also if you check my description box, you can use the same code for 50% off. If you already have a Temu account, use the discount code down below or the one on the screen for 50% off. So guys, I got a few stuff from Temu, and this time around I purchased it with my own money. So guys, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is this multifunctional cleaning instrument, and this is for face. If you've got a spot on your face and you don't want to use your fingers to squeeze the pus inside the spots, this sucks it out for you. And I thought I should use this for my facials every week. I do have a deep cleansing facial every week, so this is going to be one of the things that I'll be using for my facials. Guys, the next stuff I got, these are blackhead removing facial masks. I got quite a few of them. I've already purchased this about, I would say, 2-3 months ago, and it really removes your face pus, or when you've got like blackheads, it really removes it when you remove the face mask. It's very strong and really good. I do recommend their blackhead facial mask remover. It is a liquid, and when you apply it on your face, within like 30 minutes to an hour it dries up, and when you peel it off, it takes off all your blackheads. So I am happy with it. I also purchased this top. Guys, I saw this top and I was like, whoa, it looks exactly the same. All my days, I'm so impressed with this top. I got it in a size medium because I'm a size medium, and I cannot wait to throw this on the jeans. So this is very stretchy and it's exactly what I saw, and I love it. So guys, so far so good. I also got, this is a skirt I saw on Temu. I was wondering, oh my days, how is it gonna be like when I receive it? I guess it looks exactly what I saw on the website, and I need to look for a matching top to go with this, and it was very affordable. I also got this in a size medium because I'm a size medium. I got another top from the same company, but this time around I got it in gray. This is a gray top in the size medium, and it comes with a mini gray skirt, and the quality is good. It was less than $10, guys, so you can never go wrong with it. I was really eager to try their clothes. Guys, last but not the least, the big box. This is the shoe rack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6 of these, and let me show you how you put your shoes in. It can fit 2 pairs of shoes, so you will have a lot, and it is $45 for the shoe rack. I really love this shoe rack, guys. It's money well spent because there are so many of these on AliExpress for about $65 to $70. So I'm glad I got it off Temu. Guys, I'm really impressed with my orders this time around. Hope you guys did enjoy my unboxing slash haul from Temu, and check Temu out. There's so many things there, and it's actually really cheap. Shop like a millionaire, as they say. I'm shopping like a millionaire. So guys, this is my haul. I try to make it short, simple and precise. Thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to check my description box down below for all the information you need to know about Temu. See you viewers in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.